Yeah, no, but those balls are wrong.
I think that just shows how quickly it's going or something. Maybe that just shows how quickly it's going.
You put your finger in that
That would be really hot. If I release the pressure,
It'll stop.
so I'm letting all the steam out and then let it build up again.
Oh, it looks like it's on fire.
It is on fire.
Does it?
There is fire in
Well, move back. There you go.
Guys, move back.
Is there a fire?
I can't see now.
Everyone's move forward.
You're just pushing the table
Tiger's under the sofa.
I've released all the steam. We'll do one last spin and then we'll go and sit
My
down.
sensibility in bringing with me my hand.
Why does it require?
That's not really.
That was me. I'm sorry.
So I should put the weight back on it.
So why does it require that?
I can't see now.
Maybe it's dying. Okay, we're going to sit down. It's over.